Hey, what's going on? I'm back. About American Bill Money. That's my ID number right there. 6353. My ID number, 6353. About American Bill Money. There you go, y'all. This is my ABM kit. Just came in the mail today. And go from there. Heavy Hitter Club. Very easy to understand. All this postcard you see here, this is what you work with this business. It's an expensive business. Join this business. It will put some money in your pocket. It will put money in your pocket. That's my ID number right there. 6353. American Bill Money. American Bill Money. Secure a second income, not a second job. Secure the income, not a second job. American Bill Money. This is what the postcard look like. They got a jumbo size one. They got a new folding flyer. They go from there. We spend $50 every day on our bills. You're not seeing no return. It's American Bill Money right here. American Bill Money. Join today and secure your income, not a second job. Yes, indeed. And you can get $1 too in your kit. Again, I'm going to show you my number. 6353. I'm back to American Bill Money. $50 a month. We spend $50 every day. Cheap. So actually it costs you $49. It don't cost you an extra $50. You get it back a change. This is my change from my American Bill Money. There you go. American Bill Money. I'm back. So join today. American Bill Money. That's my ID number again. 6353. Join today and you won't regret this. They've been around since 2003. All right, come back at you again with another video. Thank you.